Welcome to this video about the benefits of reading and how to make it a habit. Reading is one of the most beneficial habits you can develop, and in this video, we'll explore why it's important to read and how to make it a regular part of your routine. Why is reading important? Reading has countless benefits for your mind and well-being. Firstly, it improves your vocabulary, language skills, and comprehension abilities. It also increases your knowledge and expands your imagination. Additionally, reading can help you relax, reduce stress, and improve your focus. Reading can also improve your mental health. Studies have shown that reading can help reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety, and improve mood. In fact, a study conducted by the University of Sussex found that just 6 minutes of reading can reduce stress levels by up to 68%. Reading can also improve your empathy and social skills. By reading about different characters and their experiences, you can gain a deeper understanding of other people and their perspectives. This can lead to improved social skills and relationships. How to make reading a habit. Now that we've discussed the benefits of reading, let's look at how you can make it a habit. The key is to start small and be consistent. Here are a few tips. Set a goal. Start by setting a goal to read a certain amount of time or a certain number of pages each day. You can start with just 10 to 15 minutes a day and gradually increase the time as you get more comfortable. Schedule time. Schedule time in your day specifically for reading. It can be in the morning before you start your day, during your lunch break, or before bed. Make it a priority in your schedule and stick to it. Create a reading environment. Create a comfortable environment for reading. Find a quiet spot in your home or outside. Grab a cozy blanket and a cup of tea, and create a cozy space to read. Eliminate distractions like your phone or TV. Choose engaging material. Choose material that is engaging and interesting to you. Whether it's a novel, a biography, or a self-help book, make sure it's something you enjoy. Don't feel obligated to read something just because it's popular or recommended by others. Join a reading group. Join a reading group to discuss books with others who share your interests. This can help you stay motivated and committed to your reading habit. You can also share recommendations and get new ideas for what to read next. Benefits of reading. Now that we've discussed how to make reading a habit, let's talk about the many benefits of reading. Improves cognitive function. Reading can improve cognitive function, including memory, concentration, and critical thinking skills. It can also improve your vocabulary and language skills, which can benefit you in all areas of your life. Reduces stress. Reading can reduce stress and promote relaxation by helping you escape from the stresses of everyday life. It can transport you to new worlds and allow you to temporarily forget about your problems. Expands knowledge. Reading can expand your knowledge and help you learn new things about the world and yourself. It can also expose you to new ideas and perspectives that you may not have considered before. Boosts empathy. Reading can boost empathy and increase your understanding of others, which can improve your relationships and overall well-being. By reading about different characters and their experiences, you can gain a deeper understanding of other people and their perspectives. Promotes lifelong learning. Reading can promote lifelong learning and personal growth. It can inspire you to try new things and pursue new interests. It can also be a great way to stay informed about current events and new developments in your field of work. In conclusion, reading is a wonderful habit with numerous benefits for your mind, well-being, and personal growth. By making reading a regular part of your routine, you can improve your cognitive function, reduce stress, expand your knowledge, boost empathy, and promote lifelong learning. Remember, the key to making reading a habit is to start small, schedule time in your day specifically for reading, create a comfortable reading environment, choose engaging material, and join a reading group to stay motivated and committed to your habit. So, if you're looking to improve your mind and well-being, consider making reading a regular part of your routine. Whether it's fiction, non-fiction, or a mix of both, there's a world of knowledge and entertainment waiting for you in the pages of a good book. Thank you for watching, and happy reading.